Hello friends, good morning. This is your host Sushant Dharmal saying a big hi to you. Uh, well, you think that where are we going today? Or where do we go now? Today we are going to Jaisalmer. Right now it's 1 o'clock in the morning and it's 23rd December. And not 23rd December, it's early morning 24th December. It's 1 o'clock in the morning and we are right now ready to proceed towards Jaisalmer. The estimated time of arrival is somewhere around 1600 hours. Yes, we should be there. We have booked our hotels in advance at Khuri Resorts, and it is a Khuri Haveli rather. They have their tents also, but we are not staying in the tents because I have kids. We are 6 of us who are going. Me, my brother, my wife, 2 kids, and my German Shepherd. Yes, she is also going with us. My German Shepherd is also going with us to Jaisalmer. She enjoys car journey a lot, and she does not get bothered by it. She actually enjoys it being with her family in the car for a long time. She's used to it right from the very beginning, the day we brought her, and then with the different journeys that she's undertaken. So let's proceed, and we will be taking that Jaipur Sikar Bikaner wala route, and it's pretty good. I have seen in the numerous travelogues that it is pretty empty, and you can easily clock triple digit speeds. So let's see when we reach there. In between, we may not be taking much of stopover because the more you of a picnic you make along the way, the arrival time gets delayed. So let's get moving and let's get going. And oh yes, I forgot to tell you one thing that although Modi has said, "Jab tak aayi nahi, tab tak dhilai nahi," no worries, but we still will travel with masks and sanitizers. Let's go ahead and keep on going, and don't forget to put on to maintain social distancing and wear your mask all the time. Okay, no let-offs. Well, we have taken our first break since morning. Other than that small tea break, which was basically at a roadside person selling something. So there's something specific to show. We have stopped for our lunch here at Hotel Umaid Palace. If I zoom it for you, let me see if I can. It is clear now. At Hotel Umaid Palace, and restaurant, and this is the view of the hotel. It's a good one, and we have ordered some shahi paneer and dal fry and rotis and all. This is actually just beside the highway, and from here the Pokhran is somewhere around 50 odd kilometers. So let's see. The weather out here is quite pleasant, and in when you are standing in the sun you feel hot, and when you go in the shade you feel cool. So it's a combination of hot and cold. It's pretty nice. The weather is pretty nice, but this is the weather that it is in Rajasthan always, that hot during the day and cool during the night, rather cold during the night. In the morning when we entered Rajasthan, it was actually very chilling. In the morning it was chilling rather, and now it's pretty warm, and we have taken all our jackets, just a body warmer to warm ourselves up. Let's have our dinner, let's have our lunch, and let's see what is the quality of the food and how do they serve it. Let it come. The quantity of the food that we have ordered, the dal fry and shahi paneer, I think the quantity is pretty less and we would be needing more, so we are going to order one more plate. Okay, so we had our lunch out there, and sorry I could not record it over there. So now we have reached Jaisalmer War Museum. We crossed Pokhran and all. We were actually in a hurry to reach our hotel rooms pretty early, and this is the view of the Jaisalmer War Museum from the other side of the road. It opens from 9:30 in the morning, and the entry is only up till 4:30 in the evening. Post that, you will not be allowed to enter, because what happens is that it's the closure time and they don't want people inside this war museum. So, and we'll cover this on the second or the third day. This is the property that we are talking about. A very good courtyard, very clean, and an excellent property. It feels like a heritage haveli that you are staying on. We reached the Haveli at around 4:30 in the evening, and since we are a bit tired, so we decided to take a bit of rest, have a cup of tea, and then move towards the cultural program and the desert safari, which was to be held later in the night on a 4x4 jeep in the desert. But first, let us head towards the cultural program, which was served to us along with some tea and snacks. So see you there. After the song, it was now the turn of the dancers to show their skills. And trust me, although it was subpar, but it was excellent still. After the dancing skills, now it was time for some jugalbandi from some of the performing artists. And trust me, it was very good. From just two pieces of stone. Just watch it out. And now some group dance from the three dancers, and they were one was I think under training, but the other two were senior counterparts who were performing brilliantly. The moves told it all. So just enjoy the dance. You can also have your dinner out there after the program, which lasts for around 2 hours. But we were not so hungry, so we decided to skip it. And moreover, we had to go for a desert safari, although I could not videograph it because of the extreme darkness. But this was actually a very good program. But I was really saddened by the fact that COVID has actually affected these artists in a very bad way. It is for us and you to support them. They are not very rich, extremely poor people who perform in front of you. The tents were empty, The Havelis were empty, all the rooms were empty. We were just four of us, and these poor artists were performing in front of just four of us. Six of artists were performing, and rather their entire troupe. Just imagine their plight. Let us vow to take all the precautions and promise with to ourselves that we will take the tourism industry to a new high, at the same level on which it was a year back. Right? So that's it from Sushant for the day one. Let us meet on day two for the local sightseeing and other things. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel Wandering Lust. Keep watching for more.